So this is the pound dollar analysis for Wednesday, the 6th of June. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we had prices sell off down towards our 3304. Retested on several occasions for having this strong buy-side move come into the market, taking us beyond the 3368. We did find some resistance in and around our previous highs. With a brief pullback down slightly below the 3350, down towards our 33, in towards the we trade below the 3340 into the mid 33s, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum breaking above the previous highs and the 400 period moving average. Brief pullback before seeing this upwards momentum continuation here beyond the 3368. So we do look poised for a test of that 3429 level previously identified, major level marked at here in red. If we do see a rejection from there, we're looking for a move back down towards our 3368, 3350, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, possibly a move down towards our 3304 or 3281. If, however, we can break and hold up beyond the 3429, we'll be then looking for a move up towards our 3488. Successful break from which we are then looking for prices beyond this 3429 to head towards our 3488. And if we can hold support there and move up towards our 3520. Don't anticipate prices moving more than 520 here to the upside, possibly the far end of the range being around 3450. Let's just make sure. 3550, sorry. So if we do break above the 3520, the far end of range I'd expect to be 3550. But for me, I probably think prices would stall in around that 3520 here if we do see this momentum upwards continuation, maintain. Sorry, let's just word that a bit differently. So if we were to see this upwards momentum continue, those are levels that we are looking at here to the upside on the pound against the dollar. Similar to the downside, we did mention we'd expect 3281 to be the far end of the range, but there is a possibility of finding major support in around 3304, as we've tested that area on several occasions and it has held as support. What we'll do now is we have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. Over here on the daily chart, we get scale on here correct, and as we can see, we're having a pretty strong pullback here. So we've had a sharp sell-off consolidation, broke down further here to the downside, didn't quite get down to a major level, say 3147 or that's 32. But what we have seen is we broke slightly below the 3220 all the way down towards that 132 level, from which we are seeing that support come back up into the market. So we're in around this major level in around 3429. But if we do see this price progression here to the upside, the very next level that we're looking at possibly being a level of some major significance is in around 3553, which I did mention could possibly be the far end of the range. So if we do see a price progression, it's an area we previously found resistance before having this consolidation, before having this strong move to the upside. So again, it will be an area we'll be looking at. We've also had consolidation in around that area also. So it's definitely something to bear in mind going forward on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.